Hey everybody, how we doing today? My name is Michael.
And I'm Dione.
And welcome to MS FITZ'S Adventures. Hey, guess what? We're going to leave here. Where are we at? Fort Beale. She forgot. I remembered, she didn't. So it's Fort Beale RV Park. We've been here for 3 days now. 4 days now. Yeah. We were going to leave yesterday, which would have been Thursday. Today is Friday. We really couldn't find anything, and then we found a super spot. Hopefully, they tried to call us today. We don't know, but we've got reservations anyways. So it's going to be 3 nights at Bluewater Casino's RV park. And guess what's going on? We'll tell you in a second. But you know what to do right now, right? Why don't you go ahead and go down below, give us a big like, and then push that subscribe button if you haven't already. And then last, go ahead and ring the bell. You'll get notifications every Sunday that we have another video. So, all right, guys, we'll be right back. I'll tell you what's going on. All right, guys, so guess what? We're going to the Bluewater Casino, and guess what they're having? Supposedly, a jet boat race, just like we recorded 4 years ago. So yeah, Dione didn't get to see it. She had to work at Big Ben that day. So now we get to go there, and we're going to spend the whole weekend at the park and check out the boat races.
Yes.
And then I think we're going to go up to Havasu and check out Black Meadow Landing, where we used to work. Go up and say hello to some friends and some people up there and see what's happening up there. So we got the whole weekend planned out already for you guys, and it's going to be a fun one, okay? So we're going to get going in the truckster. Dion's going to follow in the Mustang. Max has been barking and all ready to go. He's just so excited. He just wants to go now. Wherever we're going to go, he doesn't care. Let's get in the car. Let's go. So we had 3 nights of great stay here. They do have Wi-Fi that kind of was sucky. The lady said, hey, it works okay in the day. That's because nobody's in the park. And as soon as everybody gets in the park, it pretty much is like 2-3 megabytes or whatever. Yeah, it's really crappy. Obviously, Starlink worked really well here. So Starlink, I got, I don't know, 50 to 80 download speed, and I was getting 12 to 13 for upload speed. And this is still Kingman, Arizona. So yeah, so we're gonna take 40 down, and we're gonna leave right now. So you guys follow us, okay? We'll be there in a few minutes. Check it all out. All right, guys, we're getting on 40, and we're gonna take 40 all the way down to 95, kind of like we did when we went to Oakman and we were coming back. So we're gonna have to do it that way. Here we go, on the highway, 40 west. We're an hour and 39 minutes away from our destination, they say. Yeah, her turn signal keeps turning on and off. It's been like that for a long time. Hopefully she gets it turned off this time. There she goes, it's off now. All right, got the brakes tested, got everything good. 60 miles to Needles and another 25 miles to Havasu. Bluewater Resort is a casino run by the Colorado tribe, and that's where we're gonna stay. $45 a night, $150. I think they charge us $5 for electric for the 3 nights, so that's pretty cool. So we're on our way. So guess what? We're on 95 and 40. Gas right now here in this part of Arizona is only going to be... Pardon me? Oh, that's cute. All right. So anyways, guys, that's the most she's talked all day. So gas prices right now are $3.79 for regular right now. So that's pretty darn good. We paid $3.81 or $3.80 something, and I didn't put any premium in it, but I did put premium in it about 2 or 3 times. We really have never run out of gas, so we're pretty good. I kind of keep it a half a tank and then get another half a tank. So whatever gas we have is, you know, if I know it's good, it's good. Plus, I've been using Lucas in it, clean out the injectors and everything else, because, you know, what the heck, it's been sitting up there in Colorado. So all the way here. We're almost here. Havasu's about another 10 miles, guys. We'll be at Bluewater really soon. Guys, so we're still going around the lake. We're almost at the dam part of the lake, and then it goes into the Colorado River. Actually, like I've been saying, this is the Colorado River. Havasu is. That's where the water comes from. Comes all the way from Colorado, and that's why we're here, because we just came from Colorado too. Beautiful area, pretty much growing up. This is the Parker Strip we're going to come into in a few minutes. Lots of golf, lots of vacation homes for the winter, lots of, you can see there's hotels right there in front of us, condos, you name it, they got it here in Havasu. There was a place that wanted to give us 4 days and 5 nights free stay if we go and listen to them and get a background check done so we can purchase some of their property, timeshare. And we said, no, thanks anyways, we don't want to do that. So, all right, we're going down this hill. Got to pay attention. On 95 right now, going into Parker, Arizona. Guess what? There is the Bluewater Casino right here straight ahead on the right hand side, and I guess they're going to have the boat races tomorrow and Sunday. We're going to be there till Monday. We might even take another night. Let's see what happens when we get here. All right, we're gonna turn in. We're gonna try to find the place. I'm gonna run and try to find a bathroom, I think, because I haven't had a bathroom break yet. We've only been on the road now for, I would say, an hour. That's not bad. Well, no, I take that back, 2 hours. Almost 1 o'clock here, and we left about 11. Welcome to Bluewater. What's these signs say? Find out where we gotta go. What'd you say, 35, 37?
Yeah.
Am I supposed to go right or left?
It said opposite to the left, so that's the way I went.
Okay, well, I don't know. I guess I'm gonna go that way then. .21's here.
Over here on the left.
I wonder if we had a sewer left, because something looks really wrong on that. So where's the office? Right here, the brown building or the green building? I don't know. You just stepped on me, so where are we going? Okay, over there. I'm just going to park it. Well, I guess I can't park it in front of people, but I'm going to park over here someplace. Yeah, I'm going to park right here. I don't know what else. Let's make a turn. All right, guys, so we're here. I'm getting out. You just saw that fast-ass boat just go by. That's what we're here for. All right, Bluewater Casino. All right, guys, so guess what? We are here at Bluewater Casino, and it is race day today and tomorrow. Tomorrow's the big race. Today is eliminators and just trials and that sort of stuff, and just trying to get their boats in tune with the motors and all that. Hydroplanes and just fast-ass boats. Sorry for the cussing, but hey, they're fast. So, got us a spot. It's going to be 38. Dion's already probably waiting for me right now. And they got the announcer down that way, and that's where the boats are. So, we're over here in this little part over in the cove here, they say. I'm going to take you to our site and show you around, okay? All right, guys, we're going to get backed in, and here we go. We just got here. We got our spot. Got a big old boat next to us, which is cool. Check this out. Got our own little deck here, huh, for Max. Yep, put our bikes out here. Gonna ride our bikes around, huh, Max? All right, Max, let's go inside. Get the air conditioner on, maybe, if it's too hot in there. Shouldn't be. Temperature right now is about 73 degrees, huh, Max? We should be really good now. Yeah, all that stuff, huh? All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and Dion's gonna go ahead and we're gonna set everything up. And yeah, Get this block out. First thing. Put this underneath the, there it goes. Oops. Put that underneath there. So when the wheel hits it, or the jack hits it. All right. There we go. Bring that down, up. We're gonna undo everything, set everything up, and we'll be good to go. So good morning. We got here yesterday. We didn't record anything after we got here. We set up camp. We went over to the casino, checked it out, checked around town. I went to the store and we came back, watched a little TV and relaxed is what we did. So this morning, it's just 10 o'clock. 2 hours ago, they started the races. So what they're doing is they're putting all the boats in the water and doing all that stuff. We're at the RV park. The RV park is Bluewater Casino's RV park. Really didn't know it was here. I kind of did, but I didn't. Doesn't make sense, but yeah. They do also boom docking here, dry camping. And they have, it's $15, and there's several different places. You can go out in the parking lot where it's nice and paved. There's all different places here to do that. They do charge you now. They never used to. Here at the campground, it's $45 a night. And we're looking around, and there's a lot of people that just live here permanently. There is a couple that are right next to us, and they actually are been there 2 years. Yeah. So yeah, it's not a bad little campground. We'll show you around a little bit. Pretty nice actually for $45. That's what we were just saying. I can hear the boats in the water right now, so we're gonna go check that out. So yeah, here we go. I'm gonna start up the car. We're gonna go up here and make a circle. Let's get off the concrete, huh? Oh. They got lots of, yeah, it's a nice little park. A lot of older campers in here and stuff. There's lots of boats because they can launch them right here on the river. Here's their storage over here. Look, there's a plane checking out the races probably. Gonna try to do the, I think we're going too fast, aren't we? Maybe not. We're gonna try to do the drone today. We'll see if that works. But yeah, this is pretty neat here, man. All right, we'll show you more in just a few minutes, okay guys? I'm gonna turn this off so I can drive. So we're driving by Pit Row right now. I guess this is what this is. You can see the guys over here getting them ready to go. That's pretty cool, huh? All right. We're gonna go find a place to park and kind of walk around a little bit. This is the public part of it. The casino is in back of me, so we can probably go up here and go the other way if we wanted to. Let's see what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna go up right now. All right, so I'm gonna go up here and we're gonna get away from the water, go 5 miles an hour through the park. This takes us into the casino parking. You can see over here a bunch of people, vendors and stuff, I guess. Yep, techs, all that stuff. Little hazy today, huh? This is Bluewater Casino. They actually have a movie theater here too that's still here. Let's see, parking over there. We're not allowed to go. Yeah, I don't want to go through. I'm going through the place. I'm not going into the place. So this is the arcade fun zone, registration, all that stuff over there. And then over here we have truck parking. We're gonna go around all this over here. And let's see. Yep, there's the casino. I'm gonna have to get up high because I can't, oh, I can go around the casino, can I? Yep. Okay. So I'm gonna go through here. I gotta go back up. That's what I was saying. All right, guys. So I think that was just a skidoo or something. It wasn't actually a boat. They had 2 boats in there yesterday. Dione was like, that man's not moving. Well, that man's moving now, isn't he? Mm-hmm. All right, so they're gonna get him going. So let's get up here and look. we go. See the lights? Shut down the motors just where we were just a few minutes ago, and so they're going to get that riding back in, and then the skidoo or somebody's over there and he's bringing them in. Check out the guys fishing out here while he's bringing the boats out, but I guess they're not bringing boats out like they did last time. I guess they're already here. So you guys know that we've done this before. I came out here and Dione was at work and it was fun. So when we see some more, I'm going to go ahead and get the drone up and see if that will fly, and maybe get some drone footage of this stuff. I don't know. We'll see what happens. This is not as crowded as it was. There was like 50,000-60,000 people here, it seemed like. So another dude on his skidoo. So I got the drone up a couple times. Color doesn't look all that great, but then again, the color here isn't all that great. So we're gonna wait for some more to come out, and then we're gonna go race some more, okay? Dion's talking to this guy over here. He's a local. And yeah, having fun today. 16, 15, 14, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Maybe better just to go instead of bouncing back and forth. Maybe not, I don't know. That's pretty cool though. Taking his jet ski out and skidoo. They're starting to come down now, putting them in the water. So the race is about starting. See that guy coming in? They'll run them out so far, make sure the engines are all working, and then one of the little skidoos come up, grab them, push them over to where they have to be, where the rope is. So let's check out some of the stuff they got going on here. There's one going in the water over there now. One over here. Check out this one. A little hot sitting in that thing, huh? No Tonka covers there. There's another one going in the water over here. and I keep missing some of the races here, and for some reason the color wasn't very good. Got that fixed, hopefully. Got one more battery, so we'll get a couple more races in today anyways, maybe. All right, let's go over here to the truck. All right, now we got the fast boats. And let the water calm down just a little bit. Make sure everything's okay, no debris in there. So they've got guys in their skidoos way out that way and all around the course, plus rescue guys.